Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and as promised, today I am announcing the long overdue 1K giveaway. Since we are already nearing 2K subs, I will run this giveaway for 3 weeks instead of a whole month. So the effort-based winners will be announced on 20th of August. And some winners will be announced today itself in the same video without any competition and without any need to follow any rules. So are you guys excited? Then let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
At first, let me share the 5 hampers I have curated for the winners. Some of these products were bought from Nykaa while others were received in some subscription boxes. But I had bought those subscriptions too, so this is definitely a giveaway with my hard-earned money. In the top 3 hampers here, I have added one Innisfree mask worth Rs 150 each. Then I have one earring in each hamper. The first hamper has a Pet Velvet Moisture shampoo of 50 ml and a MAC lipstick dupe in wine shade. The second one has a waterproof eyeliner from Color Fever worth Rs 175 and a Moha Herbal shower gel of 30 ml. The third hamper here has a Soap Square crushed roses bath salt or food soap of 70 grams worth Rs 225 and a pink Jovi nail paint. All of these 3 hampers have 4 items each including skincare, makeup and jewelry. I have tried to keep the approximate value of each hamper around 400 to 500 rupees. Next we have these 2 hampers here having an Essence mascara worth 299 each. Both have a mask from Monsub worth Rs 200 each. This one is the collagen mask and this one is the gold eye mask. Both have a nail art set of 12 pieces from Narcia worth Rs 80 each. Hamper 4 has a dual eyeshadow from Jane, one olive shade and another a beautiful shade of highlight which you can use under your brows, and there is a blue eye glitter from Just Gold. Whereas in hamper 5 I have added a Color Fever red lipstick. Hamper 4 has one shampoo and one conditioner of 50 ml each worth a total of Rs 120, and hamper 5 has a M Caffeine face wash of 50 ml worth 199 rupees. Lastly, I have added a piece of jewelry to both these hampers too. The total worth of the contents in the hampers 4 and 5 is around Rs 1000 each. So the total worth of this giveaway comes to around Rs 3500. Now moving on to the interesting part of rules for this giveaway. There are no rules or no competition for the hampers 1, 2 and 3. I wanted to send a small token of love to those who have supported me throughout my journey, irrespective of any giveaway. These are the people who have watched all my videos and gave a genuine feedback in the comment section. Some of them also participate in the giveaways but did not unsubscribe and turn their love into hatred when they did not win, while some others didn't even participate in any of the giveaways ever. They are just subscribers who have stuck to my channel and my videos over the past 1 year. I have seen people pour in so much of love when giveaways are running and forget about my channel altogether after the winners are announced. Probably they unsubscribe. Even some of the winners don't come back and watch my videos later. But then there are other winners who are still very supportive and encourage me till date. So it's very difficult to know who is genuine and who is not in effort-based giveaways. So I just stick to being fair with the person who has put max efforts gets to be the winner. But over the period, I really wanted to have a giveaway for my genuine subscribers, even though they were not the ones who put maximum efforts during any particular giveaway. Although I will announce 3 such winners today, it doesn't mean there aren't more such subscribers, but since I can't afford to give away gifts to all at a time, you guys just have to wait some more. I see some subscribers being one of the first to watch and comment on my videos, while some others are giving really helpful and genuine feedbacks in the comments. Please keep supporting me like that. That is the kind of community I want to build here. I'll definitely have more of such giveaways for you guys because your love matters the most to me. Today's winners are just doing that for a longer period of time. So the winners of the hampers 1, 2 and 3 are Congratulations to winners and thank you so much for all your love and support. Please DM your address, contact number and the hamper of your choice. I'll try to send the preferred ones to you all. Now moving on to the hampers 4 and 5 worth ₹1000 each. It would not be fair for my new subscribers if I don't have an effort-based giveaway for my 1K sub celebration. But this time the rules are really simple. You just need to be a subscriber of my channel and that is all. You can of course share and tag to earn extra brownie points. And also I would really appreciate you guys watching all my videos and giving a genuine feedback on them. But that is completely optional and up to you. I leave all the details of the giveaway for hampers 4 and 5 in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I feel both these are awesome hampers and definitely worth trying to win. So I wish all of you a best of luck. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? That's all you need to do to win a chance to get a hamper worth 1000 rupees. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.